Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today's video is going to be a quick little montage of the kind of quality you can expect from the camera gear that I'm currently using and see what it looks like without doing any sort of post-production work like color grading or anything like that. And I want to give a special shout out to a friend, Andrew, for helping me out. He shot some of the epic drone footage you're about to see, so thank you, Andrew. And also, I hope you guys enjoy the content. Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit scary. I actually can't see the screen right now, but I'm using my fancy camera and I'm gonna try to longboard while holding this. It shouldn't be terrible, but I'm nervous because I'm not great on a longboard, and this is kind of an expensive camera, at least for me. So, and it's the one that I use for most of my main A-roll films and shooting. So if I actually end up ruining this, I'm kind of screwed, but hopefully this goes well. Alright, so I don't know if you can see it over there, but there's a drone somewhere in the air. Looks like it might be. Oh yeah, there's my drone. That'll be filming me in the background. Meantime, I'm going to try to board. There we go.